Let's tiptoe. Tiptoe this way. Well done. Don't make a sound. Oh no! There's a swamp. It's a stinky, smelly swamp. We can't go over it. There's no bridge. We can't go under it. There's no tunnel. We're going to have to go through the swamp. Are we ready? Let's squelch through the stinky... Squelch. Squelch. Oh, my foot's stuck. Oh, I'm out. We've made it. Tiptoe. Oh no. It's a river. But it's flowing really fast. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're going to have to swim across it. Ready? Under the water, up for air. Lovely. Keep going. Oh, we've made it. Oh no. There's something in the trees. Let's have a look. There's something in the bushes. It's a lion! Quick! Back the way we came! Swim! 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 Through the mud! Quickly! The lion's chasing us! Oh, we're through, let's run! Run back to where we started! Quick! Run, 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 run! Okay. Let's get down, let's hide! Was he there? Let's check again. Did you see him? Oh my goodness. Whew. Well, I think we disturbed the lion, didn't we? So, what should we do next? I don't know if I want to go that way with the mud. What else did we have? The mud, and we squelched through the mud. What did we do? We swam through the river, you're right. Okay, so what else could we do? What other way could we go through the jungle?